Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by gathering tools and safety items. A Phillips screwdriver, a 10mm socket and ratchet, a flat trim tool, gloves, a soft flashlight, and a replacement cabin air filter sized about 8, 3x7, 7x1, 0 inches for many RAV4s. Park on level ground, switch the engine off, remove the key, and set the parking brake before beginning. Consult your RAV4 owner manual to confirm the filter location and any torque specs, because location can vary by model year and trim level. Open the glove box fully and squeeze the sides, or release the right side stop tab to lower it. This creates clearance to reach the filter housing behind. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the 2 small retaining screws on the housing or pop out the cover clips with a flat trim tool, then carefully pull the filter cover straight out so you have full access. Slide the old cabin air filter out, paying attention to the airflow arrow. Inspect it for leaves, dust, and mold, and note how it's seated so you can replicate orientation. Take the new cabin air filter and orient it so the airflow arrow points toward the HVAC unit. This is usually down and inward from the glove box. Insert the filter straight in until it seats fully and the foam or rubber seal sits flush in the housing. Reinstall the cover and tighten the 2 screws to hand tight. Do not over-torque. Lift the glove box back into position, reattach the stop tab, start the engine, run the blower fan at high for 1 minute, and check for reduced dust, normal airflow, and any unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.